how to fix Valorant error. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. First type here Windows update settings. Now make sure to update your Windows. Just click check for updates and then install all the updates that you can find there and click services. Scroll down until you find VGC. Here is it. Right click on it, properties, and you will find it like that. Make it automatic, apply and OK, and then close this window. Let's move to the next step. Click on your Windows security, virus and threat, manage settings. Scroll down until you find here add or remove exclusion. Yes, and click add an exclusion file. And after that you need to know where to find Rise Games folder. Then click on it, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, and here's it, Valorant, open. That's it, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.